Hello darlings, for today's video I'll be creating a look using Winky Lux products and sharing my honest thoughts on each one. First, I'm filling in my brows with the Universal Brow Pencil. This is a $16 cool toned brow pencil that claims to work for most brow shades. It's quite creamy and easy to apply, although I'm not the biggest fan of the shape, which resembles the Benefit Goof Proof or the Anastasia Brow Definer. Personally, I prefer a small tip like that of the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil or Anastasia Brow Wiz. After cleaning up the brows with some concealer and priming my eyelids with the PLOUISE base in shade 0.5, I'm dipping into the new S'mores Eye and Cheek palette, which is graham cracker scented. I'm just sweeping the contour shade all over my lid using the MORPHE JH34 brush from the Jaclyn Hill Master Brush Collection. Next, I'm picking up the golden highlighter shade from that S'mores palette and applying that to the inner corner of my eyes. Now I'm switching to the Cashmere Kitten palette, which is $25. I'm mixing the shades Penelope and Prowl on the PLOUISE Acid Rain liner brush and creating a winged liner. This palette does have some fallout, so after cleaning that up and sharpening the winged liner, I'm moving on to my face makeup. For primer, I'm using the Whipped Cream Primer. This is a very unique, silky primer that's designed to deliver a smooth, poreless appearance. I find the texture to be a lot of fun because it's so light and fluffy. After that, I'm first highlighting with the shimmer stick, and then I'm adding another layer of highlight with the strobing balm in the shade Lit. Personally, I find the shimmer stick to be too glittery, but I love the strobing balm. It's extremely creamy and gives an amazing wet effect. After blending those into the skin with my fingers, I'm applying the Stay Naked foundation and concealer by Urban Decay. I'm also setting my under eyes with the Urban Decay setting powder and applying the Milk Makeup cheek and lip color in the shade Work as blush. Back to the Winky Lux products, I'm once again dipping into the S'mores palette and applying the contour shade to the hollows of my cheeks, around my hairline, and along the jawline to give some definition to my face. Next, I'm mixing the two highlighter shades from that same S'mores palette and applying this to the highest points of my face to pump up my glow even more. After setting everything in place with the Urban Decay setting spray and curling my lashes, I'm applying the So Extra Velvet Plush Mascara, which is $18 and is designed to lengthen, separate, and volumize the lashes. I can definitely see the lengthening effects when applying the mascara to my lower lashes. After popping on some falsies and adding some eyeliner to my upper waterline, I'm finishing off the look with the double matte Lip Whip lipstick in the shade Cookie, which is really lovely, and then I'm adding the new S'mores lip balm on top for a not so matte finish. And that completes this full face first impressions look. Overall, I'm satisfied with the performance of all of these products. Let me know in the comments below if you like Winky Lux, and please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time!